Hello people of the internet, King Triforcer here, with an unboxing video of the collector's edition of Tales of Xillia? Is that how you pronounce it? Oh, whatever. Here, is the collector's pretty big box. Shows everything on the back, same on the top. And when you open it, I actually have everything out of the box right now. You get the two main characters. Pretty nice. Moving on. First off, well, I guess I'll save the figure for last. Get one of these little boxes. Everything's up. Stop playing with the bag, kitty. Yes, a guy. Kitty's having fun in the bag I got the game from. Okay, first up, music CD. I'm just going to leave it sealed. Keep it with either Tales CD. The game itself, of course. Front, back, inside, and yeah, go ahead. Look, by the time I upload this, I'll have put the code in anyway, so yeah. There's the game. Nice 15th anniversary stamp there. And our little art book. Do a quick flip around. Take a look. I actually don't really know that much about this game in particular. I didn't want to spoil it. It looks like we got some environments. Up first. Anyways, it must be good enough that they made a sequel for it. And it's actually being brought over here not too long from now. A bunch of characters, supporting characters. Oh, that's funny, there's a guy in a space helmet. Skip the page. Yeah. Supporting characters. Oh, they look interesting. Huh. So this is what their Udine looks like of this generation of games. Last one I really remember seeing is in Symphonia. More supporting characters. Lots of them. But for some reason this character reminds me of one of the other Tales main game characters. The name escapes me. I didn't play it though. I think it was the one after Abyss or before. Woods? As I say that? She kind of looks like a cat girl, even though it's just her hair. Wow, come on. Samurai sword. She one? Yeah, she's one of the actual main characters. Well, playable characters. No fighting. No fight stuff. Kitty in the background. Almost done. I'm gonna get onto the figure. Yeah, I got an old man to play as. I think he's a butler. He looks like a butler for some reason. No, yeah, I was right. He's a butler. Just had that vibe to him. Weird little critter. Just move a bit closer to the screen. Come on, grab the page. concept art. Always good to have. That's one reason why I like getting collector's editions, when they come with a little art book. This one's better than most. A lot longer. Most of them seem like be 20 pages. Yeah, Xillia Maxwell, the one you get the figure for in this game. I think you get to choose between her and that guy to start off with. I think that's about all I really know about this game. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. There we go. Jude Mathis. Ah, so many pages got skipped. I think I like Asbel more. Asbel. In character design wise compared to this guy. Yeah. And that's the art book. And lastly, well, first off, there's the box that came in. I made sure I destroyed the stickers. They go off to collectors who wouldn't even open this stuff. Because I'm just going to split the packaging that held it in place. And finally, the lovely lady herself. Nice little spin around for you. I might as well show more angles. And notice the insignia on the base. I think this is a quite well crafted figure. Much more so than others I've seen. But yeah, that is the unboxing and the review for the newest Tales game. Well, at least newest out for us. I hope that was informative. And have a good day, folks.